Hi guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today I will be doing a Valentine's Day tutorial. Recently on my Instagram, I asked you guys which look you would rather see out of two looks I created, and the vote was split 50-50. This look and another look you guys were up in the air about. You liked them both, so I am going to try and do videos on them both. This is the Valentine's Day look, not using a palette, just using random products, and this is the look here. I really love it. It's really simple and easy. Anybody can do it. Like, even if these lines intimidate you and you're not steady at liner and doing a graphic liner intimidates you, I show you how to clean it up if you're like shaky, because I was shaky doing this. So anybody can do this. It's super quick and easy, but also super festive. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's zoom in and get into it, and then look forward to the other look in a few days. We're super up close and personal now, so I'm going to start with the red liner. I am using a mixture of two liquid lipsticks because I do not have a red liquid liner, and I'm just using what I have, even if it's not technically eye safe. Disclaimer, use liquid lipstick on your eyes at your own risk. But the ones I'm using are Holy Grail from Persona and Cinnamon Bear from Too Faced. Cinnamon Bear is a deeper red, and the formula is a bit thicker in consistency. So I wanted to mix it with this brighter red that's a more liquidy consistency to get the perfect in between. All right, so now that I've got those all on the back of my hand, I'm just gonna take this little liner brush and mix. All right, and once they're blended, this is the color that I'm working with. I'm just going to take this brush and sort of wipe it off in between my knuckles to take off the excess, but still leave the brush like loaded with product. And then I am going to line my lash line. All right, lash line done. So I'm gonna dip in for a little more product, coat the brush again, and angle the brush up and draw a line for a wing. Okay, and this is where makeup wipes come in handy, because I just kept getting thicker and thicker on that wing and messing it up. So I'm just wrapping makeup wipe around the tip of my finger and cleaning up. Oh, now I'm getting liquid lipstick everywhere. Cleaning up that wing. Gosh darn it, why can't I get it to be where I want it? Okay, so I have a wing now that I have fixed because I messed it up, and now I'm going to draw the upper part of the graphic line. So I'm just going to start at the tip of the wing and go inwards as smoothly as I can, even though I tremble. And I'm gonna pull up my eyebrow to tighten the skin to give myself a little more smooth working space. What did I just do? Okay, I think I mostly fixed that there. I did it a little thicker than I wanted to do it, but I just thickened up the corner to match, and now I'm just gonna draw a little thin bit on the inner corner to sort of taper it off. Alright, so that is kind of the shape that I'm going for, and then I am going to, on any areas that are a little, as I say, weebly wobbly, I'm gonna take a little makeup remover on a Q-tip, just excuse me, just barely dip it in, don't soak it, and then just clean up just a few spots. I mean, if you have more than a few spots, you can clean up more than a few spots, but this is how I'm cleaning up the uneven areas, is with this little Q-tip. Alright, so now I just gotta do the other eye to match, and I think I need to mix more. So, la-di-da, here we go. Again, this is the color that I have. You can do whatever shade of red you want. You don't even have to do red. You could do like pink, whatever. Alright, so I got the lash line done on this eye, a little thicker, but you know, your eyes are sisters, not twins, or cousins. They could be distant cousins. And then I'm just going to attempt to steady my hand and draw a wing. Oh, that went so much smoother than the other side. Oh my gosh, that went so much smoother. Ah, hallelujah! Okay, now let us pray that this line goes smoothly. Oh, I see a spot I gotta clean up with a Q-tip. Well, that's what they're there for. Alright, I did that line. It was a struggle, but there is the crease line number 2, and now we're gonna clean up. Okay, so that is cleaned up enough to my satisfaction. Like I said, these are distant cousins now. So I gotta fill in this patchy area really quick. Because when the liquid lipstick dries down, sometimes you can see areas where you didn't layer it as thickly as others. Okay, I think I got that fixed, and now I have another area to clean up. Okay, this wasn't a problem before, but I think I need to set this with a red shadow, because it keeps getting everywhere. So let me grab one of those. So this is the NYX Sugar Trip palette from a few years ago holiday. I'm just taking this red right here because I don't really care too much about the color of the shadow. I just want it to have a red tone to be able to layer over the liquid lipstick so that it stops transferring everywhere. And this is just an angled shadow brush. So like a eyebrow brush or an eyeliner brush, whatever. This is definitely lightening it. It's not exactly the color I wanted it to be, but hopefully that will keep it from getting everywhere now. One more time with a Q-tip, I'm going to clean up. Alright, the next step is glitter. So I am taking the Touch in Soul Metalist Liquid Glitter Toppers, and I'm taking the pink and the white. And these are just like liquid glitter topper shadows. And I am just drawing those in there haphazardly. And then I'm going to spread it out with a brush. If I can find a brush. Okay, here's a good brush. This is a little pointy detail brush, that's good. So I'm just going to spread that stuff all over the blank lid space. Alright, so I got the glitter in the lid, so I'm just going to take a little bit of what's left that hasn't quite dried down on my hand on the liner brush. And Apis, I seriously cannot concentrate with you doing that. Please stop. Sorry. Go over the parts where I colored outside the lines. Stop. Oh my god, I can't do this. Too shaky. Please stop. All right. That took a lot longer than I thought it would and was a lot more difficult than I remember the first time I put this look together. But that's pretty much like the lid and everything. And then I'm just gonna, enough! Needy children. I'm just going to go off camera, do my base, and I will come back to add the heart details and everything. Alright, so I have my face, my lips, my lashes, pretty much everything done except the hearts. On the lower lash line, I just took the LA Girl Neon liner in Fiery, and then I just put on mascara and some lashes, and these lashes are the Extension Seeker, excuse me, Salon Perfect 3D Curl. It's my first time using them, and I don't think I like them. TBH, I don't think I like these lashes very much. I thought they would be pretty with this look, but now I'm having regret. Like, I think the look would be better without them, but I don't want to remove them and then have like pieces of the red liner missing. So this is what we got. But anyway, to finish off the look, I am using a stamp liner. This, I believe, is from Lottie, London, but all the writing is worn off. If I can find it, I will link it down below. It was really affordable, and it has a heart-shaped stamp on one end and a felt tip liner on the other end. And I am just going to take the heart and take the point of the heart and match it up with the point on my wing and stamp it just like that, and do the other side so it matches. And then I'm just going to stamp more hearts around it. Just all in this like outer eye / cheekbone area, just willy-nilly stamp hearts. It doesn't matter how, just to really make it festive. And if for some reason it doesn't stamp properly, you can take the felt tip side and draw it. So like that fixed that heart. Come on, don't mess up on me. This is the moment, no turning back. One drop on your lips and the spell will take effect. Under the moonlight, oh, I feel like the ink is running out on this. I have had it for a while though, so let me just fill that in. Okay, since I feel like the ink is running out, and after like way too long, probably years, this pen is finally dead. This is the completed Valentine's Day look. And on the lips, in case you were wondering, I did a black lip liner to have it really like dark and vampy, but then I topped it with Cinnamon Bear to tie in with the red. So to tie in the black hearts, I did like a darker lip liner underneath, but still did a red lip. I don't know, I like it. Anyway, let me just take my hair down and zoom out and show you what the full thing looks like. Alright, so we're all zoomed out and you can see this is the completed Valentine's Day look. I wanted to do something, you know, really festive, but that was also something that anybody could do. You don't have to be super like skilled at drawing or artistic to do it. Like I used a stamp. If you don't have a stamp, you can always make your own stencil. I have a video where I show you how to make a heart stencil to put hearts on your faces, and you could always make a stencil and fill in the stencil with your felt tip liner if you don't feel comfortable drawing hearts. So that is always an option. And yeah, anyway, I hope you guys have a happy Valentine's Day. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you have not already, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!